Hi there, students. Quality time, quality time. Okay, quality time. This is normally spent with your family, with your children, with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your parents. Okay, this is time spent with that person or those people where you dedicate all of that time to that person. So for me, for example, quality time is putting your kids to bed, reading to them and getting them to go to sleep. That's real quality time because you're dedicating your time directly to them. This is when working parents can spend time with their children to do something productive or creative. So yes, if I baked a cake with my kids, that would be quality time. Or maybe going out to dinner with my girlfriend, that is quality time. And I think this phrase quality time it's a word that reflects the society that we live in. Is to proactively interact with people while they are together. Sometimes this is even abbreviated to QT, and it's time spent with your close family or your partner or your friend or a friend. And it's got to be important, it's got to be productive, it's got to be profitable for everyone. Yeah, it's time that's set aside to pay full and undivided attention to that person, to show that they matter. Yeah, it's behaving in a way that strengthens the relationship. Let's see, this phrase first appeared in the 1970s, and I think the reason it appears is because people were and are working longer and longer hours, and therefore you are away from your family more and more, and therefore you appreciate quality time. Quality time is the weekend, but you have the weekend, but you need to do something with the people you love rather than just go and do something selfish. Yeah, I could spend some quality time with my kids, or I could go down the pub. No, I'm going to spend quality time with my kids. Yeah, this Christmas I'm going to spend some real quality time with my family instead of allowing everyone on their phones. Yeah, no, that's not quality time. A camping trip where you go into the woods where there's no coverage. That's an idea of quality time. Okay, so he always tried to spend a little bit of quality time with his children every day. Yeah, it's time that you spend with somebody, giving their full attention, because you want them to understand that you value the relationship, that that person is important to you. Yeah, we need some quality time together. Yeah, if you don't have quality time with people, then very often the relationship starts to falter, to flag, and then it fails. It's time in which quality time is the time in which your child or the person you love receives your undivided attention. Yeah, and spending quality time with your children is a really important thing. It's the real way that you can show them that you love them. Yeah, so yeah, the fathers and mothers as well, they both need to spend quality time with their children. Families need to spend quality time together. So what would I say about formality? I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. And then the origin, as I said, I think it first started to appear in the 1970s. Maybe it appeared in a newspaper article, but okay. So, quality time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. quality time.